Welcome to my another video. So this video is about unboxing this smartphone Realme Narzo N61. So this we ordered from Amazon and has been delivered to us. So we'll be unboxing it today. This is of marble black color with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB memory. The price of this product as quoted is 10,999. So this has a armor shell tough build, 32 megapixel super clear camera, IP54 dust and water resistance, eye comfort display, rainwater smart touch and various other specifications which will go in deep after we unbox the product and see it. Thank you. So let's start with the unboxing now. So with this phone we get this box. This box contains the back cover. This is nice, even iPhone doesn't give this, so this is very good. With Realme we get a back case original from the company itself. And now let's continue with the phone. Okay, so here we go. We also get an adapter and the charging cable. Now let's have the first look of this phone. Very sleek in design. It has two cameras at the back and very shiny texture. With this phone is an adapter, a charging cable, a phone and original back cover. Now let's start and take the first look of this phone. As you see, while this comes up, let's review the specifications of this product. So this has an operating system of Android 14. It comes with 4G, not the 5G technology. The battery power is 5000 mAh lithium ion and the charging is USB type C. The front camera is 5 megapixel, though it says that it has a lot more features like night mode and time lapse, slow-mo, etc. And it has a 6 GB RAM and inbuilt memory of 128 GB. It has a nano SIM card slot, the connectivity with USB and Wi-Fi, the fingerprint recognition, and as I said, what's in the box? We have adapter, USB cable, phone case, screen protector and a guide. The optical sensor resolution is 48 megapixel, which is the rear camera, and the video capture resolution comes up from 480 pixel to 1080 pixel. That's it about this phone, and now let's set this up. So we'll select English. Region India. Legal information we will accept it. Now we need to connect this to a mobile network. So let me set this up and then come back. So phone is connected with the Wi-Fi now. Let's proceed with the setup. So it says getting your phone ready. So it gives you the option of transferring apps and data from another phone. So we'll skip this for now. Need to sign in. I'll skip it for now. We'll do that later. Yeah, so this is the Realme UI with which it will start now. As I said, this is Android 14 Realme. The device name is Narzo N61, 128 gigs, 6 GB RAM, octa-core processor. So that's it. So thank you everyone for watching this. Let me know how did you like this phone. in the comment section. See you again in another unboxing video. Thank you.